Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can basically change the nail shape and patterns on Dress to Impress. So you're just going to go here. I know it's sometimes a little bit buggy, but that means it's just in your game. But if you finish the quest, your nail tech will be Lana. I don't know if it's the same for everybody, if it's still going to be Lena, even though they didn't finish the quest. But just press E here, and then you can kind of select the kind of shape you want your nails to be. For instance, this one, and you can also change the color. I think you can add in patterns, but it's not going to be super visible anyways on the runway, in my opinion. But you can select from these cool patterns. Remember, you have like around 20 seconds to sit on the nail chair because there's only one, and like people sometimes would still be there. I do suggest doing that last because I think it's the least important out of all, because you can like barely see it when you like walk, as you can see. But yeah, that is it for this video. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.